Today, we're going to need a 12 volt whip, not a 12 volt wheel, that's very dirty. Here's what you need. Rode NT4 microphone, electrician's tape, sound device 722, headphones. I love you, electrician's tape. But typically, I would not suggest recording in a garage. But it's the coolest backdrop I have because the wall looks so neat. Oh, there's that. And we can't forget our 12 volt. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tape and stretch it across the microphone, right in this area. The longer you stretch the tape, the better and cooler it sounds.
That's pretty cool.
Awesome. Now we have our cool sounds, we're gonna clean up, we're gonna go into Pro Tools and play with it. That sounds freaking cool!